Students flock back to Columbia for the Return to Learn. Mizzou leaders have some stiff measures to track cases and enforce policies. ABC 17's Connor Hirsch joins us live on Mizzou's campus tonight after checking in with university leaders. And Connor, the university has several policies in place to try to keep the community safe.
Deb, and being on and around campus today, you can tell things are really starting to pick back up. Even here, it's a beautiful night in Columbia. There are groups of people walking by, sitting here in the quad, and that's why I have my mask on, because people have been walking by me here. But coming back to the university doesn't come without risks. One member of Alpha Epsilon Pi fraternity at Mizzou is in quarantine after experiencing symptoms of COVID-19. It's unclear if he has tested positive. A spokesman for the international fraternity said it appears he came back to the school with the virus, as some of his family members back home have now tested positive. While the university can't say if they've heard from the group of a positive test, it is required to be reported by any student, faculty, or staff member.
So as we would get a notification, depending on the location of the student, we would make sure that we are offering the appropriate support.
And what happens after a positive test? The university hired about 24 contact tracers to work specifically on the university's campus in conjunction with the Boone County Health Department.
We knew as students were coming back, the likelihood was going to start rising. And so we wanted to make sure about that. Now we're also assessing to make sure that maybe we need to hire a few more.
But the university hopes to keep the virus at bay with mask and social distancing policies on campus and at university-sponsored events. And even off campus, the university says it has the authority to discipline students who are not following health guidelines under the student conduct policies. An example of this would be a large house party.
We would certainly be looking at that because, again, it's a situation where is someone doing something intentionally that puts another individual at risk.
And we did reach out to fraternity and sorority leaders here at Mizzou about their policies, but they did not get back. But Christian said that they have been working with those groups, and Greek Life has even put their own measures in place, canceling all social events on their properties. Now, I've been here on campus seeing most people wearing masks and social distancing for the most part from what I've seen. Reporting live in Columbia, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Connor. The university says enforcement of its health policies will likely start first with education, then get more restrictive if more violations happen.